Hey everyone, this is a very informal video that I think is needed, especially right now with many people wanting to do mail blast through Constant Contact. So I'm going to show you pretty quickly how to get to the contacts the list that you need, and also how to set that up pretty quickly in Constant Contact so that you can use it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Forms and Letters and to Email List Builder. And typically what I'm guessing is for this one, what I'm going to use for my email is I'm going to use active, and and because it's based on effective date, I'm going to go ahead, click on active, and I'm going to make it through, let's just say 1 year ago. So let's do active clients for 1 year. When I do that, I can also view that list. So if I hit view, and I'm in a test environment, so you're going to see some kind of crazy things here. But what you should see is a list of your clients along with their email and a phone number even. So I'm going to hit close because I think that that's fine for my purposes. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to build an Excel list. And should be done. Okay. Now it's gonna suggest that I go to the X Uploads Genesis email marketing folder. Now, because you're on hosted, this is not the best way for you to get to your file. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So when it asks you this question, click no. And the next thing you'll do is go to your local. You'll click down. Like for me, I'm going to click on this folder to get to my local drive, and I'm going to pull this over for you so that you know quickly where I went. So I went to my C drive, uploads, C uploads, then Genesis, then email marketing, and I found the most recent list that I had created. So my most recent list was at 2:30 right here, because it's 2:31 now. And this is the list I wanted. Now I'm in Constant Contact. I've signed in, and I have gone from my home page to my contacts page. The next thing I'm going to do is say add contacts. So I'm going to click add contacts, and I'm going to upload from file. That's going to open the drag and drop, so you can browse to your local C drive and get that file that we just looked at, or you can do this. I'm going to, in this case, I'm going to minimize my screen here so that I can see the file behind me. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to drag and drop. So it brings in the file, and it's going to ask me to match up everything. And it automatically matches a few things. Sometimes it doesn't match them correctly, but it looks like in this case, it has. It's actually got the email address, the last name, the first name. You don't really need these two fields. So I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to continue without selecting the fields. And you can select whether or not you have implied or express permission. I usually actually just leave it where it is. And I click upload. Oh yeah, okay, one of the things you'll have to do is create a new list. So for my case, I'm going to call them my Genesis or my agency customers. You can call it whatever you'd like. Hit create, and then upload. And it is going to show you any errors. So it looks like here, error details, John Doe. You see what's wrong with this one. So it'll allow you to correct them. So if it shows you some errors, you're going to be able to do that, hit save changes, and it'll fix that for you. Alrighty, so now you are ready. You've got your list now, and here are my agency customers all set up. When I go to do a campaign, I should be able to see that information once I get to see. Here's some of the things that we've done. So I'll kind of show you what I would do. This is our spring user retreat by I don't know if you've received that. Hopefully you have. And if you'll give it one moment. So if I were going to send this out, and this were going to my customers, then what I would do is I would go ahead and select my list. So for your case, it would be my agency customers for this email that's going out. So I'd click on that. I'd go ahead and click to send now or to schedule, and then schedule it. And that's all you have to do. So if you have any questions about this, just give me or give tech support a call. They'll be glad to help you. And also you can email me, Lisa at JenesisSoftware.com, if I can help you as well. Thanks. Have a good day.